Good morning everybody and welcome to another vlog. We just rolled out of bed. I heard her up at, well, 6:45 we got up, but I heard her talking away in her crib. So we got up now and we're both in our pajamas. Yours says, her pajamas say little sister, but the only reason, I'm not pregnant, obviously, and she would be a big sister, not a little sister, but the only reason I bought these for her is because she needed more, and the Carter's website only had this and another set, so I was like, who cares what it says? No one's gonna see it. And it's so cute. Say good morning. I'll show you our other, well, my pajamas. So my jammies are from Old Navy. And they're just like the flannel, or not flannel, they're, you know, the, what's it called? Long underwear material. And yeah, I'm kind of tired because I woke up in a bit of a deep sleep when I heard her. But she did well. She slept from 6 o'clock till 3:30 in the morning. And then I really didn't have to get up with her to feed her, but I missed her, so I did, and I was awake anyways. So I fed her, and then she slept till now, which is 6:45, so yay. Holy no eyebrows. Super attractive. I need to get my, put my wedding rings on, then we're gonna go downstairs and have breakfast. Dog, dog. Hi, Dookie. So dark. Hi, Dookie. Hi, good boy. Playing with your toys. Oh. I'm gonna do, excuse me, a really quick fat burning workout because as you guys know, I've been trying to lose 10 pounds, and my first week of doing this routine, I have lost 1.8 pounds, and that's so far. I probably could be more. Probably could be more. I don't know. I didn't say that right. But sorry if my voice is a little hoarse. I'm still kind of tired and groggy. And that's another reason why I want to work out, because I feel like if I work out, then it'll like give me some energy and boost my metabolism, and I'll just feel better. I really don't want to because I feel sluggish and tired, but I'm going to. The baby should be getting up in about 15 minutes, so I'm going to do a quick 15-minute workout. Thumbs up this video for postpartum baby hairs. Cute, huh? Not so much. So yeah, if you guys want to do this routine with me, and like this lifestyle and journey, then just keep watching the video, like the video, let me know in the comments down below if you had a workout today, even if it's like 10 minutes, 8 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, that's better than doing nothing. And if you do hit cardio, it does make a huge difference, even if it's a really quick workout. I do not have time to go to the gym. I have a baby, so anytime she naps, I just need something quick, get my heart rate up, make me feel good. So let's get into the workout. So I'm gonna have to cut this workout a little short. It was only like, I only got through 10 minutes because baby girl's awake. I can hear her on the monitor. So this is just like real life of a mom. Honestly, this happens. She's gonna wake up and I won't be able to finish my workout, but you know what? I tried, and at least I got something done, and then I can start again later on or another day or something like that. So I'm gonna get a glass of water because I'm like dying, even though it was only 10 minutes. And then I have to go get the princess. So the missus is awake, and to be honest, I am more tired after doing that workout than I was before. I'm just like, I think it's because I'm not used to it, because I used to work out a ton and now I'm not used to it. I'm used to just going for really long hikes and stuff like that. So I think I'm just gonna stick to hiking and long walks, because tired me out, and that way I can bring her with me. So she's got, let's do an outfit of the day for her. She has a little Carter's clip in her hair, and her pink onesie says mommy loves me to the moon and back, and she's got her blue jeans on and her little socks. So I'm just waiting for, it's 10:17, so she just got up from her nap, and I fed her a little bit, and I'm waiting for my mom to get back home from shopping, and then we're gonna drive over there. Again, it's a really crappy day outside, and it's everything like melted, so it's all muck and stuff, so I'm not gonna bring the dog, unfortunately, but at least we'll have some mommy and baby and grandma time. Yes, we will. Look how cute she is. I think she's my little Minnie, although her father is in there somewhere. Sometimes they look a lot alike, but I think she's my little Minnie. Story of my life, I'm watching HGTV. Baby girl's gonna have some carrots while I snack on some walnuts. I know, I'm coming. And then we're gonna go to my parents' house for lunch. That's why I'm not eating yet, but she's hungry, so homemade carrot baby food. We're all ready to go to Grandma and Grandpa's house. Yes, we are. Hey guys, so I just got home from my, that's a baby monitor in case you hear it. I just got home from my parents' house, well, actually like half an hour ago, and I just fed the baby and like nursed her, gave her a bath, and put her down for the night. So it's 6 o'clock, I think. Usually by this time she's really tired because she wakes up from her second and last nap at like usually around 2:45 roughly, so she's been up for a while, so she's like done. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.